From this video, we are going to start Express.js tutorial videos, and I will be explaining how you can create your own web application and make lots of APIs on that application using Express.js. So Express.js basically is a framework used to create web applications, and there are lots of benefits of Express.js which we will be discussing in this video. Hey everyone, this is Kamran and I'm a full stack web developer and I'm an experienced developer. So I am making this whole Express.js tutorial videos so that I can teach everyone how they can make web applications in Express.js, which is the most popular web application for building web applications. In this video, we are going to talk all about what is exactly Express.js framework, what are the functionalities available in this, and what are the benefits of using Express.js over any other framework. So first question is, what is Express.js? So Express.js is a framework, not a programming language, just a framework. It's a JavaScript framework. So you have to code in JavaScript in Express.js. And using this framework, we build web applications. So you can build a whole end-to-end web application. You can develop multiple APIs using Express.js. You can create middlewares for the APIs. And also there are lots of other packages available which are very compatible with Express.js. Like if you want to build something on the socket, then there are packages available in npm which is compatible with Express.js. Same goes for if you want to add authentication in your application. So in that case also you can use some packages available in npm which will be very compatible with Express.js. So due to this compatibility with many packages in npm.js, Express is very famous among frameworks which we use to build web application. So if you are completely new to web applications, I will explain you what exactly is an API. So the whole web application is divided mainly into two different parts. One is the front end, which you see on your web browser, and the other one is the backend, where all the logics are written and all the data on the front end is distributed through a backend. So when we want to get the data on the front end from the backend, we use API. So API is basically an interface between these front end and backend. So I will give you an example which will clear up like what exactly is in API. Let's take an example of a hotel. So a hotel have two different parts. One is the front end where the customer comes and sit and have their lunch, dinner and food. And we also have the kitchen where actually food is prepared for the customers. So whenever a customer comes, it orders the waiters to get the dishes they want, and these waiters go to the kitchen and tell them that they want that particular sandwich or whatever dishes they have ordered, and then these waiters take the dishes from the kitchen and put it out on the customer's table. So here customer table is the front end and the kitchen is the back end, and the waiters who are transferring the food from the kitchen to the table, we can call them as an API. So I hope you understood the concept of API from this. Now Express.js is a framework which we use to create as well as maintain the APIs. Along with creating an API, we can maintain and as well as do other stuff on APIs using Express.js very smoothly. So let's say if we want to implement some authentication or authorization, that we can do using Express very smoothly and cleanly. So if you want to build a clean project which will work very fast, you can blindly go for Express.js. You can build full-fledged production-based web application using Express.js. So these are enough reasons to use Express.js. And I hope from this video you got the idea of what exactly is Express.js, why we use that, and also the definition of an API. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video in which we are going to start building actual APIs using Express.js.